I'm Tanya Clark Evans. I'm the Crisis Intervention Officer here at JFLAG.
Get up, stand up for your right.
Unless persons report, we won't know what's happening out there, and we can't help if we don't know what's happening.
Get up, stand up. Don't give up the fight.
We offer counseling. We have a lawyer. We offer intervention, like we get involved with the family. We also offer medical care or assistance. We accompany persons to make report to the police station because some persons are indeed afraid even to go to the police to make a report.
Stand up for your right. Come on, get up, stand up.
Okay, first we need to have date, time, location, description of the persons or person or persons, and if there are vehicles involved, it would be good if you could capture the license plates.
Don't give up the fight.
Certainly not. We take reports from just about everybody, male, female, heterosexual, homosexual, just about everybody.
And now when you see the light, you stand up for